Hey everybody, Steve Burns here from Chromeillusion.com. Um, there was a question on the Discord forum, basically on how to extrude a half circle from a plane, similar to what we're seeing here. If we do it the Blender way, maybe what we should be asking instead is how to extrude the plane from the half circle. And let me share with you what I'm talking about here. Okay, let's go ahead and bring in a disk. So Shift A, Mesh. Let's go over here to our cylinder. Let's rotate this on our y-axis. So R, Y, 90 degrees. Okay. Now I'm going to come here and just make it a little thinner. I think that'll work just like so. Command or Control A, and let's go ahead and apply all the transformations. So we're going to what that does is it resets everything back to world origin. Okay, so let's go to work. Tab key, go to edit mode. Let's go grab half the circle edges. So from here, I'm holding Command or Control and Shift together and select polys in between. And I'm going to go on the opposite side, Control and Shift, and I'm targeting the rest of the half circle. From here, right click, go to our loop tools, right? And go to flatten, and there it is. So if I just pull this on up and set it right on the x-axis, there we go, that works. I could come up here to the item tab also, and on the z-axis, just go ahead and type in 0, and it'll actually snap it to the 0 location. Now we have extra geometry in here. Take a look at that, right? We got extra geometry in here, so we're going to get rid of that. We're going to get rid of those other faces. So we hit the F key on the keyboard, and it flattens it all out. But if we hit the number 1 key, we still have those points in there, right? So let's deselect the 4 corners. So Control drag there. Let's go to the opposite side. Control drag. That's going to deselect it. Now we can basically dissolve these other vertices. So hit the X key on the keyboard, dissolve the vertices, all gone. Now we have a flat face. So number 3 key, target that face. E key, see where we're going with this. Pull that on out. Okay. Let's rotate it around. Now let's grab either side of these faces, this face here and that face there, Alter Option, E key, and then select the Extrude Along Normals, and there you go. There's your flat plane. Okay. If we wanted to add more detail to this, select both of those, top surface planes. I for extrude, pull that on in just slightly. Okay, commit my changes here. Alt E, and then extrude along normals, push it in just a little bit. And you can see it's pushing in on the half circles, but the bottom faces are kind of pulling out, but which is no big deal. Select those bottom faces here and just push them in. Just push them down. There we go. Adding in a little more extra detail. There it is. All right, so all done. So object mode. There it is. So hopefully this was helpful. Don't forget we can add modifiers like a bevel modifier to this. So go to your modifier option. Go to the bevel modifier. There we go. It's giving it a little bit of a rounder edge. I can add some more segments to it to round it off, like so. Okay, make it look a lot more handsome. So hopefully, hit the N key for numerics, make that go away. Hopefully that was helpful. Okay, so the real question here is not how to select a half circle from a plane, but how to extrude the plane from the half circle, doing it the Blender way. Okay, all right, that was it. Hope that was a fun little exercise, and I love it when you guys throw me some of these little challenges, modeling challenges, because it makes me think about okay, how would I handle that in the Blender way, right? So yeah, keep the questions coming, and I think this is going to be educational for all. Okay, guys, Steve Burns from Chromeillusion.com. I'm signing off and looking forward to working with you more.